What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. So, let's get into it. Step 1, you need to open your Microsoft Teams and sign in to your account. Step 2, click the chat tab on the left side of the screen. Step 3, click the new chat button in the top right corner. Step 4, enter a name for your group in the group name field. Step 5. In the To field, enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to add to the group chat. Step 6. Review the group name and participants to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.